Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we have another credit card review. So today we're going to be reviewing the Mercury Mastercard. We're going to dive right into how I got the card, the perks of having the card, some benefits. Should you get the card? Maybe by the end of this you'll be applying for it. Who knows? If you guys are new here, my channel is about personal finance, credit cards, stock investing, stock trading, and all things related. Eventually we'll get into real estate. Now, before we dive into the history of the card, how I got the card, and the perks of having the card, definitely destroy the like button and click subscribe if you guys are new here. Let's get into the video. It's on the packaging, so we're gonna need it. Hello? Oh, you said you there? The Mercury Mastercard is actually owned by Credit Shop. Credit Shop is a small company based in Austin, Texas. But recently, Credit Shop actually bought $1.6 billion worth of credit debt from Barclays themselves, jumping all the way up to the 24th largest credit company. So Credit Shop also actually just appointed a new CEO by the name of Jim Peterson. He's a veteran from JP Morgan and TD Bank. So at TD Bank, he most likely managed credit cards, and at JP Morgan, it's all about credit. The Mercury Mastercard is actually issued by First Bank and Trust. The card was created a few years back when Barclays sold $1.6 billion worth of credit debt to Credit Shop, who then created the Mercury card. So besides the history behind the Mercury card, let's get into the perks and benefits and why I got the card myself. I have it here. I'm not gonna show you guys the numbers, but here's the card itself. Hopefully it focuses. Let's get into the perks of having this card. It has the basic go-to of a credit card, accepted worldwide, zero fraud liability, and you'll be able to check your FICO credit score for free on the app. Something actually really funny, before I did research for this card, I actually didn't know they had an app, and I thought, like, this card is like not that great. Like, it doesn't have an app, and it's really inconvenient for me to have to go online, enter my password, and check my balance every month, you know? So then, while doing research, like, Mercury card, I found out there is an app. So I downloaded before making this video, and I logged in, and everything was actually really smooth, and it's really easy to navigate. I sound like I'm sponsored by them, but I'm not. This is just me reviewing the card. This card is actually really similar to my other credit card, which is the Capital One Mastercard. They both have similar perks to them. They're not really cash backs. They don't have any sign-up bonuses. Both of the ones I have are unsecured cards. According to Credit Shop, this card is for middle class and average spenders. So it's not the greatest, it's not the best. So I was pre-approved for the Mercury credit card. I was on Credit Karma. If you guys don't have Credit Karma, it is gonna be your best friend when it comes to tracking your credit score and learning how to be responsible for it. Definitely make sure to download Credit Karma and utilize it. So I was on Credit Karma, and I was scrolling through credit cards that they suggest for you, and one of them that said that I was pre-approved was the Mercury card. And so I did a little research, see what perks they had, their APR, and I found out 0% annual fee. So I can hold this card without using it very often, and it doesn't cost me anything to hold it. So it's gonna be a staple card to hold forever and just build credit history. So if you guys are interested in building credit, this is gonna be a really good card for you guys. So why did I choose this card? I chose this card because, like my 4 other credit cards, they're all 0% annual fee. So what does that mean? That means that every year that you hold the card, they're not gonna charge you a fee to be a card holder. Companies like American Express and Chase, they charge you like $4 or $5.50 every year for being a card holder because of how powerful their cards are and how much benefits you get from them. Certain cards have low fees like $100, $85. with very little perks. But all the credit cards that I hold are 0% annual fee, because as being 18, I want to build a substantial ground of credit card. I don't know what that mean. I want to gather a whole bunch of 0% annual fee credit cards and hold them forever and be my ground. Eventually, I'll get credit cards that have annual fees because I'll get into more business ventures and require more funds to finance my businesses. But for now, considering that I barely graduated high school and I don't have a diploma yet, I want to build credit, just like you guys are. If you guys are watching, I'm not sure if you guys have to be a pre-approved or you guys can just go to the Mercury website and sign up, but definitely make sure to look into this card if you guys are looking for credit cards that are just easy to hold, easy to use, not a lot of perks to worry about, not a lot of things to get stressed about, just a simple card to use, just like the Capital One Mastercard. And if you guys are wondering, yes, this is my 5th credit card, my 5th one, considering the fact that I applied to a few more and they didn't accept. You know, you're not gonna get accepted to all credit cards you apply for, and that's okay. But just be careful not applying to too many credit cards, because that can negatively affect your credit score. I hope you guys consider this credit card for your own wallet and for your own credit histories. I don't know what that means, but I hope you guys learned something new here. I hope you guys are interested in building credit. If you guys are trying to get that 850 credit score, maybe this is a card for you guys to start out. If you guys are 18, if you guys are 17, and you guys are like, I'm about to turn 18, this might be a card for you. This might not. If you guys want to know more, definitely check out their website. And if you guys are new here, I make a credit card review every time I get a new credit card, just for you guys and also for me to learn what I'm holding. I like to know what I'm getting myself into, and I'd love to share it with you guys. So any future credit cards I get, I'll definitely make sure to share it with you guys. So stay tuned. If you guys want more credit card videos, definitely comment below. Destroy the like button. Before I say bye to you guys, if you guys want 2 free stocks with Webull, click the link below. You guys can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,000. If you guys are interested in learning about stocks, definitely make sure to check out all my other videos. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.